Warehouses and distribution centers are always a buzz of activity. From conveyor belts and forklifts moving product to trucks backing into loading docks, a well-oiled warehouse and manufacturing operation is a must to ensure that everything runs smoothly. For more than 25 years, Scanco has been a leading provider of supply chain automation software and solutions. Warehouse and manufacturing managers no longer need to work off clipboards to determine production priorities or rely on experience to know when a job will be complete. Scanco's innovative warehouse management solutions transform your operations into a mobile, multi-dimensional system that empowers your business to grow as your customers' needs increase. From basic barcoding to the most complex distribution and manufacturing operations, our best-in-breed, fully integrated automation solutions offer proven value. Increase throughput and the productivity of your workforce, improve the accuracy of your orders, and enjoy a 360-degree view of your operations to run it without interruption. Our solutions are powered by products like the Zebra TC2X series, a durable, everyday business tool small enough to fit in your pocket, but powerful enough to multitask through managing inventory, checking pricing, and syncing with back-office applications. Zebra products also are offered with Zebra OneCare service options, where customers receive unmatched product support for normal wear and tear repair and device failure coverage, all at a special value. It's time to take control of your inventory and scale your business with confidence. Contact us today for a demo and see how Scanco's warehouse management and automation solutions can grow your business.